Assalamualaikum. This is Humayet Asif. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am showing an Arduino based smart distance measurement system using an ultrasonic sensor HC04, and display is a useful and easy to build project. The system uses an ultrasonic sensor to measure the distance between an object and the sensor and displays the measurement on an LCD display. The ultrasonic sensor emits a sound wave that bounces off the object and returns to the sensor. The system calculates the distance between the sensor and the object based on the time it takes for the sound wave to travel to and from the object. To build this system, you will need an ultrasonic sensor HC04, an Arduino board, and 16x2 an LCD display. The ultrasonic sensor is connected to the Arduino board, which calculates the distance and sends the measurement to the LCD display for visualization. This project is a great way to learn about sensors, microcontrollers, and displays. It can also be modified to include additional features such as alarms, data login, and connectivity to other devices.